Lakeshore order is here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my first entrepreneur vlog. So as you guys all know, we've been closed for about 3.5 months now due to the COVID-19, the coronavirus crisis. So we're getting ready to go back to work. That means we have to get the daycare together. We already got everything sanitized, already got everything together. So this is actually a 2-day video. I already did the inventory and everything like that. So today I'm going to take y'all to Lakeshore with me. Lakeshore is usually where I go to get all the supplies for the kids, paint, construction paper, arts and crafts supplies, whatever the case is. So today I'm going to take y'all to Lakeshore with me. I showed you the rest of us unloading the boxes because we had a big bulk order from Lakeshore. So I showed you guys us taking the boxes down, and I'm just going to do a little bit of vlogging in the store and just show you, you know, what it takes to go back to work after a crisis, basically. So stay tuned, y'all. All right guys, we're here. Going to pick out a new bulletin border for our parent board, like this one for the summertime. We also need accents. I'm going to switch out all of those stars with our children's names. So I'm going to do these since it's the summer. These are so cute. I'm getting these tie-dye self-adhesive labels, and this is what I'm going to replace the names on all of the cubbies with. Alright, so we did need new bins, so I'm about to grab some bins and also the labels. Now I'm getting ready to stock up on our arts and crafts. Lakeshore has the prettiest colors, oh my gosh. So these are the sponges for the duodettes, paint brushes. I actually need to grab some of them, and these are 30 pieces. And over here I'm definitely going to need more glue sticks and glue and googly eyes. So I'm about to grab all of that stuff. Now I'm getting some dough items for free play. So they have these little alphabet boards that you can play with your dough and roll them out and put them on the letters. So I grabbed one of those. I grabbed one of these to roll your doughs out. I really like these, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get these yet. These are just like to play with Play-Doh. They have the modeling foam. And then they have the dough down here. So they have the big ones, but I think I'm just gonna grab a few of the small ones for now. Alright, so this is everything that I grabbed so far. I'll update y'all if I get anything else, but I really like this. This is gonna be one of our free play things, working on fine motor skills. So I got 2 of these. Got some tongs and a whole bunch of other stuff. I'll show you guys when I get back to the daycare. All right guys, we're about to leave Lakeshore. I got a whole back seat worth of stuff. So I'm about to take y'all back to the daycare with me. I'm probably not going to have a chance to put everything away because I was there already earlier working. So what I'm going to do is try to put the new welcome board up. I'll show you guys my vision for the cubbies, and then we'll go from there. So let's drive to the daycare, and I'll see y'all when we get to the daycare. Alright guys, these are all the boxes from Lakeshore. We got a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm going to take everything out. Got these 2 boxes and then we got a big rug. I'm going to take everything out and put them where they belong, and I guess I'll show you everything after that. Alright guys, so I'm putting away all the stuff. I'll just show you everything briefly because I don't want to make like a super long video, but all of the labels are on the boxes. There are glue sticks in here, and I just place everything on the shelves. So we have a bunch of collage materials in here, all of our googly eyes and pom-poms and things. I'm probably going to separate these, but they're in here, which I'm going to move to a bottom shelf. And then I told you guys that we did need to re-up on paint, so we got all the colors of paint that we needed. So I'm just going to put all of that away. Got every color. Because we stay busy, like we're always doing activity, whether it's a learning activity or arts and craft, whatever the case is. So I cleaned out this bin, which is for the paint brushes and stuff. So once this is dry, I'll put the paint brushes in there and then put it in its designated area. But other than that, I already sorted everything out. We have our scissors, crayons, so it's looking pretty good over here. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do the parent board next. This is what our welcome board looks like now. All of these stars, I'm gonna switch them out to ice cream, well, popsicle sticks. And I'm gonna write everyone's name on each one of them. And then I'm transforming these cubbies because now these will only be the preschool cubbies. Before everybody, it was 2 to 1 cubby, but now everybody's gonna have 1 cubby each. So I'm getting ready to switch the names out, and then I'm gonna have their picture next to each of their names as well. So I'm not sure if I can include that in this video because that's gonna take me a while and it's getting ready to be nighttime. So let me know if y'all want me to do like a full daycare tour, and I can show you guys what it looks like at the end.
GC on the track.
Alright guys, it's getting late and I'm getting tired, so I'm just going to show you everything that I have so far. I'll start with showing y'all all the things that we ordered in our bulk Lakeshore order. This right here is our sign-in communication board. So this was a part of our order. We're just going to have our parents sanitize their hands. We have to take temperatures, and then everyone's going to sign in. So that is, excuse the motorcycle, that is one of our new items. This is how I did the parent board. I changed the welcome sign. I changed the stars out to popsicles, and then our border that we have up here now is a popsicle border. I didn't add any new updates yet on the inside. I have to get my laptop from home and print that stuff out. And these are the cubby labels that I have so far. I have to find a few more of my preschoolers pictures and print them out, so I'm not done yet. So I'm gonna just walk over. I'm only gonna show y'all the new stuff. So this is a toddler kitchen set that I got from Lakeshore. So this isn't even put together yet. We're supposed to take these out and put them on the opposite side. They ship it like that so it doesn't get broken. So it's a refrigerator, a sink, and a stove set. So that was all new. And then this big rug right here is also new. This is our cozy area. This canopy and this 3-set soft chair right here, along with this bookshelf, is all new. So I'm really excited about our cozy area. This bookshelf actually matches perfectly with the stools. So this is where our toddlers, our older toddlers, are just gonna sit down, read a book, you know, relax, and then they can come over here to play. This is their classroom. These things are sanitized right here. I'm just waiting for them to dry. And I did put some of their new things into their bins. I still have to label them. Like I said, it's getting late, so I'm getting ready to get out of here. But I'll show you guys a full daycare tour once we open back up. This is another new item. This is our transition table for young toddlers, which we don't have anymore. All of our young toddlers have turned 2. And I got 2 chairs to go along with it. And then if we come over here, this is a new cubby. So I separated the cubbies. I haven't labeled these yet, but these will be the cubbies for our young toddlers and older toddlers. And up front, we're just gonna keep the preschool cubbies by themselves. And then we have this changing table, which I love so much. So I just have to open it. But what I like the most about this changing table is it has stairs. So you just pull it out and all of your potty training toddlers can step right up. Then they'll lay down to get changed. And then when you're finished, you just push your feet back in and close the door. And this part is like storage. I didn't add the bins in here yet and label them, but so far that's what's in there. So that's pretty much it. The canopy was a part of our Lakeshore order. The bookshelf was a part of our Lakeshore order. This 3-stool set, the rug, the transition table and chairs over here, this toddler kitchen, and the communication center up front right here. So guys, just let me know if you are interested in me doing a daycare tour. I would love to do that for y'all once I'm done redecorating. But that's pretty much it. I'm about to head home. It is nighttime now, so probably about to go make dinner, and I'll talk to y'all next time.